What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Dominique. Welcome to your 15-minute HIIT cardio mini stepper workout. How it's gonna work today is we're gonna go into one high intensity movement for 30 seconds, directly pop onto our mini stepper for 30 seconds, then we take a recovery. We're focusing on 3 different high intensity movements today, designed to keep that heart rate up for the whole workout, each time hopping onto the mini stepper and then taking that rest. We have 3 rounds. I will direct you as we go. Team, are you ready to get warmed up? Go ahead and pop onto your mini stepper. Slowly and carefully step on there. Maybe you even take a couple little ankle rolls, shake the legs out before you step on. We're gonna go ahead and start with little steps, or you can start to take longer strides. Really starting to bring those shoulders back, check in with the core. And when it feels right, you can start to even sink a little deeper, maybe move a little quicker. How it's gonna work, we're gonna go into our first movement, which is gonna be 4 skaters, ice skaters, and then directly into 2 jump squats. We're there for 30 seconds. Right away, we're gonna pop back onto our mini stepper and step it out. So you can move quicker, you can move slower to catch your breath, and then we hop off for 30-second recovery. Then we're gonna go into our second movement. All right, so 3 different high intensity movements we're focusing on, each time popping back on here, and then taking that rest. All right, big inhale, big exhale. Maybe you start to move a little quicker now. Beautiful. Maybe start to sink a little deeper. Maybe you move those arms, get them involved. Keep the chest proud, shoulders back, stacked right over those hips. Heels drive into those pedals. Beautiful. Big inhale, big exhale. All right, team, so as soon as we're done with our warm up here, we have about 20 seconds left. We're gonna pop off our mini stepper. I'm gonna demo, give you a second to catch your breath, grab water, make sure you have plenty of space, and we're gonna go into that first movement. All right, 30 seconds on the mini stepper, then we rest. All right, in 5 seconds, we're gonna pop off. Big inhale, big exhale. If you wanna stay on while I'm kind of explaining the next part, you're more than welcome to. For the rest of us, go ahead and slowly pop off. Shake those legs out, catch your breath. Heart rate should already be up. Team, first movement we're working on, 4 skaters. You're moving laterally, right here for 4. Plant the feet, 2 jump squats. All right, I'll give you modifications as we go. If those jump squats don't work, give me just that normal squat. All right, big inhale, big exhale, 30 seconds on. Right back onto the mini stepper after. In 3, 2, and 1. We're focusing on hopping laterally. If you wanna make it bigger or smaller, you can plant the foot if you need to. When you hit those 4, right into 2 jump squats. Beautiful. Protect those knees, be careful moving side to side, then coming back. Hit those 4, and then hit those 2. Beautiful. Plant those feet. Maybe start to make it a little bigger now. Big inhale, big exhale. You can move slow or quick. Last 3, 2, and 1. Right back onto your mini stepper. Step on carefully. You can use this as active recovery and catch your breath, or keep that heart rate up. Let's get it. Use that breath. In about 15 seconds, we take our first 30-second recovery. You got this. Nice, heart rate's up. Maybe set that intention for what you wanna get out of the next, this whole 15-minute workout, the next 10 minutes, 12 minutes of work. All right, team, recover in 3, 2, and 1. We did it, first round done, or first movement done, not into our first round yet. Shake it out, catch your breath. Now, this workout is designed to keep that heart rate up. Second movement, we're going into some lunge switch jumps with a 2-second pause. I'll show you the modification first. Right foot comes back into that lunge, 2 pulses, or a pause, and then switch. 1, 2, or just hold isometrically for 2 seconds. All right, team, if you're ready, take it up into those jumps. We start in 3, 2, and 1, then right back onto the mini stepper. Hold it 2, switch it 2. If you want more, right into it. Let's get it. You can step it back, pause. Beautiful. Catch your breath. Last 10 seconds. If you haven't jumped it out yet, can you give me at least 1 or 2 switches? We have 4 seconds left. Let's get it. Come on. Hold, switch. 3, 2, and back onto your mini stepper. Team, second movement. How are we feeling? Heart rate should be up. Beautiful. Quick reminder here. Take it slow or take it quick. Keep the heart rate up, but also breathe. So good. We take that 30-second recovery in 10 seconds. Beautiful job. Keep moving. We rest in 5, Take that full recovery, 30 seconds in 3, 2, and pop off your mini stepper. Woo, all right, second movement done. Team, grab water, say a prayer, scream a word, whatever you need. Big deep breath. Next movement, we're going into 4 frog squats to 2 sprawls. So you're gonna bring those feet slightly wider than those hips. Drop the hips, keep the head up. Press the booty up, keep the head down. All right, if that doesn't work for you, hurts your lower back, you can give me pulses instead. We're gonna plant those hands down, step or hop the feet back, take it back up, lift those hands. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Lower those glutes. Remember, it is a hip hinge position here. So you're keeping it all in those quads. Beautiful, last one, plant the hands, hop the feet out, hop them in, lift the hands. Nice. Right back to it. If it doesn't work or hurts your low back, give me those pulses. You can always plant the hands and step it back. Inhale, exhale, step it up. Let's go. Last 3, 2, team, we pop back onto our mini stepper. Shake those legs out. Let's get it. Woo, all right. While you're here, keep that heart rate up. You can cruise through, you can take it slower. Congratulations. We're at the end of this first round. We go back to that very first movement after our next 30-second recovery. Back to those skaters. How you feeling? Nice and toasty, a little sweaty, beautiful. In 5 seconds, we take that 30-second recovery. In 3, 2, hop off your mini stepper, breathe, grab that water, shake it out. Congratulations on finishing that first round. We take it back in about 20 seconds to those skaters. Now, maybe you decide you need to plant the foot and take your time. Maybe you're just popping through it. Whatever feels best for you. 4 skaters, 2 jump squats in 10 seconds. Shake it out, maybe even take a little stretch. Roll those wrists, roll those ankles. Team, second round starts in 3, 2, and 1. Let's get it. Beautiful. You can really plant the foot, take your time. Add that jump squat. Another option, maybe you want to go into more of a calf raise. There it is. Try to keep those knees behind the toes. 4 and 2. 15 seconds left, you got it. I'll also show you another modification. You could just step it back, maybe even take a little curtsy to 2 squats. That works. As long as you're moving. If this feels better, stay here. Nice. Otherwise, hop it out. Come on. 4 and 2 jump squats. 3, 2, pop on that mini stepper. Let's get it. Beautiful. Maybe you use this as an active recovery and just move a little. Maybe you crank it out, keep that heart rate up. Totally up to you. Big inhale, big exhale. In 15 seconds, we take our next full 30-second recovery. Nice work so far. All right, team, we rest in 5, 3, 2, pop off that stepper. Woo! All right, nice work. We're going back into those lunge jumps with that 2-second pause or hold or pulse or whatever you want to make that in 20 seconds. Another reminder, you can always take that reverse lunge. Give me 2 pulses. Take it slow, all right? When you're ready to switch it and hop it out, take it. Big inhale, big exhale. This workout is designed to keep that heart rate up so you're burning calories even after the 15 minutes. Team, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get it. Plant it back. 2-second pulse. Nice. One more time with the modification. Step it back. Maybe pulse or hold. Take your time. Front knee behind those toes. Back knee nice and low. Beautiful. Catch your breath here. Switch it out when you can. Last 10 seconds. If you want to take that pause out, take it out and just go for those lunge switches. You got it. A lot of options here. We switch in 3, 2, pop onto that mini stepper. Woo! Nice work today. So good. Take it quick, take it slow, whatever feels best for you. Keep that heart rate up. All right, my loves, in about 15 seconds, we take our next 30-second recovery. We go into that last movement in our second round. Nice, that heart rate should be up. Beautiful, maybe you come back to your intention you set for your workout. Maybe a word you started for the year. Maybe something that makes you happy. Take that recovery in 3, 2, and 1. Maybe you just have a little grace for that beautiful body today. Big inhale, big exhale, breathe. Grab that water, same thing, towel off. Maybe you take a sweaty selfie, send it to somebody. Let them know how much fun you're having in this mini stepper workout. Team, we're going into our third movement, which is gonna be those frog squats. 4 frog squats to 2 sprawls. If you haven't hopped the feet back in, try this round. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Sink those glutes down. Drive the hips up as a hip hinge position. Should be feeling that intensely in those quads and not in the low back. If you are, give me those pulses. Step or hop the feet out, step or hop them up. Let's go. Right back to it. Big inhale, big exhale, let's get it. Nice, back is nice and flat. Pop those hands up, let's get it. Right here, you can give me those pulses if that works better. Step it out if you need to. Team, 4, 3, 2, and come on up. Woo, legs should be on fire, let's get it. We're back on that mini stepper for 30 seconds. Take your time popping back on there. Nice work. In 20 seconds, a little bit less than that, we get our next 30-second recovery. Team, second round is almost done. You got it, last 10, come on, power through it. Can you start to sink a little bit deeper? Press those hips back. Knees behind those toes, beautiful job. 4, 3, 2, rest. Nice work, catch your breath, awesome job. We are going already into our third and final round. So close to the finish line of this workout. Big inhale, shake it out. Team, let's see how we can intensify this first movement. Your body's warm, let's get it. Right into those skaters. If you've been taking it slow, just moving, maybe you take at least one jump. See if you can plant that foot. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. 4 skaters, 2 jump squats. Yes, doesn't have to be super fast. Take your time. Maybe go just to those 2 squats. If you need that modification, take it. Nice, let's get it. Maybe go for calf raise. A lot of options here. Meet me where you are. 2 jump squats, come on. Let's get it. Can you start to sink even lower? Nice, beautiful. 4 seconds left. Finish it out strong. 3, 2, and back on that mini stepper. Woo, are we having fun yet? Legs should be nice and toasty. Roll the shoulders back. Beautiful job. Catch your breath. Maybe bring those hands to the waist. Maybe you take them behind the head. Just breathe. We take our 30-second recovery in about 10 seconds. You got this, nice work. In 5. Big inhale, big exhale, rest, recover in 3, 2, and 1. Team, how you feeling? We're close to that finish line. Going back into those for the last time, those lunges with that little pulse or pause. If you can try to just skip the pause, let's get it. If you need that reverse lunge, take it. But first, we have about 10 seconds left here of our recovery. You can shake the arms out, shake the legs out, maybe move the hips out, and set yourself up for success. So let's get it. Come into position. We start in 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, switch. There it is. When you're ready and you feel like you've got that heart under control, that breathing isn't so intense, maybe start to hop it out. Use your breath. Drive through those heels to help you get a little bit more height. Last 10 seconds, you got it. Come on, stay in it. You can keep pulsing it out if you need to. Work on that form, front knee behind those toes. Back knee nice and low, you got this. Last 5, come on. 3, 2, and on to that mini stepper. Team. Cruising through this thing, you got it. We have about 2 minutes left of this workout. You got this, stay with me. Are you feeling good? It's kind of fun, different, you're crushing it. All right, in about 10 seconds, a little bit more than that, we go into that 30-second recovery. We hit that final set. In 5, we rest in 3, 2, pop off, grab that water towel off, check your makeup. How are we doing? All right, team, I want you to stay mentally prepared right here. The body is warm. It's only a total of 15 minutes in this workout. Stay with me. Last movement, those frog squats to those sprawls. Can you hop the feet out this time? If you haven't done it yet, give me at least 1. If you want to make it a full burpee and you have the capacity and the space in your home, take that full burpee. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Remember, you can always pulse it out if it feels tension in your low back. Hop it out, hop it in. Nice. Get that swing, that hip hinge position. Booty down, head up. Head down, booty up. Come on, 15 seconds left here. I'll pulse it out with you if you need it. Plant the hand, step it out. Let's get it. All right, team, we have about 5 seconds left right here. Can you finish it out strong? Hop the feet, come on. This is it. Last 30 seconds on that mini stepper in 3, 2, and hop on there. Let's get it. Step on carefully, especially if your legs are a little shaky right now. Whew. How you feeling? Team, you just totally crushed that. This is the last 15 seconds of intensity here. Can you drive through, bring the heart rate up for the last 10? Come on, maybe you sink those hips lower. We take our recovery in 8 seconds. In 5, slow it down in 3, 2, and 1. Whew. So good. Awesome work today, beautiful job. You can stay on your mini stepper for a second, catch your breath. Big inhale, big exhale, so good. When you're ready, slowly step off. We'll do just a quick little stretch. Maybe take a little figure 4. You can hold onto your wall, bring your leg forward, sink back into those hips. Let the heart rate come down. Drop the toe, pop the heel. Drop the heel, pop the toe. If you can drop and pop it the other way, beautiful, beautiful. All right, team, come on up. Let's shake those hips side to side. We'll switch sides, take that figure 4. I hope that you felt amazing. Even in this quick 15 minutes, you're gonna notice you're still gonna be sweating. That is the beauty of HIIT cardio. Drop the heel, pop the toe, or drop, lock, and pop the toe and heel, whatever you feel best with. Slowly roll it up. Shake those hips one more time. Team, take a big deep breath in. Big inhale, reach it up. Big exhale. Again, my name is Dominique, and I cannot wait to see you at your next workout. Have a great day, y'all.